Hi. Welcome to our Top 5 Smart Review channel. We are excited to present to you a diverse selection of the top 5 best Graco Pack and Play Playard, each offering unique features, benefits, and prices. Through extensive research and review analysis, we have compiled a list of the best Graco Pack and Play Playard from reputable brands, providing you with the necessary information to make an informed decision. Our investigation has shown that these products have excellent benefits that can cater to your needs. For further details regarding prices and other information, please refer to our description. Without any further delay, let's proceed to the video. Number 1. 4Moms Breeze Plus Portable Playard. We rated the 4Moms Breeze Plus Portable Playard our best overall pick because it truly has everything you need without being overloaded with extra features that you don't need. Right away, we loved that the Playard mattress acted as a carrier as well, which makes transporting it easier. Complete with a bassinet and a diaper changing attachment, this sleek pack and play has all of the bells and whistles of a deluxe option without the bulky look. When you don't need the diaper changing station, you can flip it over to free up space without having to remove it, which we found to be super useful while testing. The features that we really appreciated and noticed about the 4Moms Playard during testing were the smaller, more intentional details. The 2 extra legs created unmatched stability, which we know can come in handy for older toddlers who are more active. Number 2. BABYBJORN Travel Crib Lite. We love how easy it is to assemble and take down the BABYBJORN travel crib and rate it a 5 for its quick setup. In fact, it is so easy to assemble that our tester did it in less than 3 minutes and didn't even use the instructions. When it's folded down, it is a breeze to get in and out of its carrying bag, and it's super lightweight, which makes it ideal for travel. When set up, this Playard has a simple compact design, but it's still large enough to fit little ones up to 3 years old safely. It also comes with a water-resistant mattress that can be wiped down for cleaning. You can also toss the removable sheet and outer crib fabric into the washer and dryer whenever it gets dirty. While the design is quite simple, we love that it gets the job done by offering your baby a safe place to sleep, play, and hang out while on the go. Number 3. Graco Pack and Play Playard Snuggle Suite LX. This Graco Pack and Play Snuggle Suite has it all, and then some. It comes with a removable infant bouncer, an optional bassinet, a diaper changing table, storage pockets, and a sound machine. Seriously, if you're looking for all of the features possible at an affordable price point, this is your best option. All of these features give this model longevity, which is why we think it's the best convertible one on the market. While this isn't the smallest Playard that we tested, it's still fairly compact, given all of the different ways it can be used. It features 2 back wheels, which makes moving it from room to room easy, especially given it's one of the heavier pack and plays available. The Snuggle Suite lost points for assembly because it took the longest to set up, and we rated it the lowest with a 2 for the assembly attribute. Number 4. Joovy Room Superscript 2 Playard. If you're looking for a pack and play with a bit of extra space, you can't go wrong with the Joovy Room². Measuring 39.75 by 39.75 by 31 inches, this Playard is roomier than most others, giving babies and toddlers plenty of space to play, rest, and hang out. While we didn't need to know much to set it up, it was convenient that the Joovy Playard had the directions printed on the bottom of the mattress. This means you'll never have to rummage through your junk drawer to find the paper manual. That same mattress doubles as a high-quality travel bag. Although we thought the mattress quality and the roomy size were standout features, our tester noted that its perfectly square shape would make finding extra fitted sheets tricky at best, since the standard size won't work. Number 5. Graco Pack and Play Portable Playard. The Graco Pack and Play is a no-frills option that will serve as a safe place to let your child sleep or play. In fact, our testers found that the basic construction is what made it so easy to assemble, even without instructions. While most of the pack and plays that we tested featured 2 wheels, our testers noted that the wheels on the Graco seemed the most functional. Pushing it across hardwood, cement floors, and even a shag rug was a breeze. It's also lightweight enough that our tester was able to pick it up and move it from room to room with ease. It has an overall compact design, but it still doesn't feel small compared to other standard-sized pack and plays. Although we were able to set this Playard up in under a minute and a half, the breakdown wasn't quite as intuitive. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button. Press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product's link.